Hey everybody, a train randomly just popped up out of nowhere. And it's coming from the same way. How cool is this? Next week we might catch a hair of this unit. I mean, I like the horror show, but why he blow up for the crossing? Oh yeah, we're gonna fill the shaft after this. Whoa, what? These crossings are really hard. Why did I just realize that these cars are big? Like big, mega big. Bear tables. We haven't got one short train. All these trains are low-key loaded. Like, bro. Long trains this summer. What? Okay, it's a little short. It's a little short but long. That was a little short. That was shorter. That was shorter. Okay. So, what I do is go fill the track. You know what I'm saying? After the train comes, you know. These tracks are gonna be hard. I'm booked. It's not hot. It's not hot at all. It's cold. It's low-key kind of cold. It's warm. But day 2, looking for bogeys. Because I was looking for bogeys last weekend. So 2. This one has bumps on it. It's broken out. Jack, I found some more bolts. I found some more bolts. Kind of hot.
You gonna keep them?
Mm-hmm.
Just put them in the back of the car.
Okay. Well, I made the video longer, you know. Alright guys, see you next train.